Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of our 5-day 4-night trip to Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia. This is our second day here in Kota Kinabalu. Now we are heading up to Kundasang. The journey from Kota Kinabalu to Kundasang is about 2 hours drive. Look, that is the majestic Mount Kota Kinabalu. Guys, this is the highest settlement in Malaysia, and Kundasang also famously known as the New Zealand of Borneo. Now we are at Desa Dairy Farm. This is a must-go tourist attraction in Sabah. We can consider ourselves lucky because we are here during the nice weather and it's quite cheap. The real attraction here is the cattle farm because it produces about 900,000 liters of milk per year. Okay guys, let me show Desa Dairy Farm gelato ice cream counter. My advice, do not miss this fresh milk ice cream. Hungry? No worry. There are few restaurants or cafe in here, and even the souvenir shop. This place is also ideal destination for the whole family. There are plenty of activities in this farm, such as feeding the cow, feeding the goats, observing how milk is processed, and even educational tour for all. Now it's time to meet the cattle or the cows and feed them. We truly enjoy and love the vibe of this farm, and now we are heading back to our van for our next destination. Our next stop is Borneo Paragliders and ATV adventure ride. And because my wife is afraid of height, so we choose ATV ride. Okay wifey, let's gear up. I'm ready. She also ready. Okay, let's go. Oops, wait. Let's listen to the instruction first. And now, off we go. Guys, this ride is highly recommended. The ATV is not difficult to handle, and with English-speaking instructors and guide, it makes even easier. This is the first stop of the ride, and it's on top of the hill. Everyone take a rest a bit and took some pictures. Let's take 360-degree view from this hill. Look at it. I can say that the guide is very responsible. They stop intermittently just to check on our safety. Thank you for the guidance, sir, and we enjoyed the ride. Next, we headed to Ranau Hakka food court for our lunch. There are many food stalls in this food court, but our tour guide had already booked and reserved one of the halal stalls for us. Our last destination for the day is Kampung Marakau Ranau Fish Spa. This fish spa is located at Bom Bom, Kampung Marakau. It's around 15 minutes drive from Ranau City. The fish spa is surrounded by the lush greenery and a peaceful river. The best parts, guys, you can also feed the fish with your hands. To me, this is cool and unique experience. We end our day here, and guys, don't miss our part 3. See you next time, and thank you for watching.